Hey guys, it's me, Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I'm showing you my new log splitter. I was on eBay and I saw this bad boy, and it was really well priced. It was only 120 bucks, $119. And it was the last one that there was. And it was a pickup only. And lucky for me, it was about 50 minutes south of where I live, near the city. So I had to make an appointment with the distribution center, and I didn't even meet the guy or anything, man. It was really cool. I could just pick up. I went and I picked it up from the place, gave them a number that matched their number, so they knew it was me. The guy put it on the pallet. Well, it was on the pallet. The guy brought it out with the forklift, put it in the back of my truck with the pallet. Boom, brought it home, put it together. And initially, I pressed the button and it just went, it hummed. But I think there was something obstructing the fan from spinning, because now it works perfectly fine. And that was the case with that one. So, it's a good log splitter for 120 bucks. So, absolutely worth it. It's pretty much the same thing as that, except for with mine, you have to press the button and then pull the lever down. And then you got to let go of the button, and that's how your piston retracts. And this one, or on this one, the power switch, you just turn the power switch on and the motor stays running. And you got to depress both the levers in order for this piston to move forward. And then once it's done that, you let go and it moves back, but the motor stays running on this one. But again, for 120 bucks, I didn't expect it to look this nice. It was practically brand new. So, yeah, not bad. It's almost exactly like that one. Its cycle time is the same and all that. So, I'm thinking of doing something or other with one of these two. So, but yeah, what do you guys think? $110, $120, $119. I jumped on it, and it's a good thing I did, because um, after I sold it out, after I bought this one, the same person had like 20 or another 10 or another 11 of these guys, but the 9-ton version. But he wanted 300 bucks for it, and I'm not about to spend $300 on it. But the only reason I bought this was because it was a dollar, or it was $119. That's the only reason I bought it. Otherwise, I was happy with that. But there's always a saying, two is one and one is none. So if that thing conks out on me, I have a backup. Or I'm just going to start using this one, because honestly, I like the way that that one functions. The one handle I've turned into a foot pedal. So I think I'm going to put that on the end of my processor, so that when I cut, it's going to fall, and that way I can just press down on the pedal, and it'll split the wood, and so on and so forth. Anyways, questions or comments, leave them below. And this one is, I believe it's called a Powerhouse. Is it? Yeah, Powerhouse. And it's a 7-ton log splitter. That one was made from company Lowe's, Iron Force, I believe it was, and they're no longer in business. But I've had that thing for a while, and it's been through a lot. So I bought that from a crazy prepper in Los Angeles, and he thought that that thing was going to run on a $99 generator from Harbor Freight. And I said, let me stop you now before you're gravely disappointed when the end of the world comes around. I said, that generator will not run this whatsoever, no way. And I told him, I said, after I bought this from him, I said, you better get an axe and learn how to swing it, buddy, because if the end of the world comes and you're moving into the middle of the woods, that's going to be your best weapon right there when it comes to getting wood and splitting it and whatnot. But I think I bought that thing for 200 bucks. But it's been through hell and back. It's definitely been worn. My little side rails that has disappeared years ago, and I'm actually quite happy they did. And then I elevated the front slightly with that 2x4. and it's really a good machine. So no complaints. I just bought this one because I did not expect it to look this nice too. I thought it was going to be used up. I thought it was going to look like that. So 120 bucks, not a bad deal. $119. Thank you, eBay. Questions or comments, leave them below. And yeah, good deals. Talk to you guys later. Bye.